Have you ever slipped on your favorite ring only to realize it no longer fits the way it used to? Maybe it spins around your finger. Maybe it feels tight after a long day. Or maybe you inherited a beautiful piece that simply is not your size. Before you panic or rush to resize it, take a breath. You have options. There are safe, practical ring resizing alternatives that allow you to make a ring smaller or more comfortable without permanent resizing. Many people searching for jewelry near me or jewelry repair around me are surprised to learn that resizing is not always the first or best solution. This guide will show you how to adjust a ring without changing its structure, and when it makes sense to visit a professional Arcadia jewelry repair shop for help. Why many people avoid ring. Resizing. Resizing is a great option when done correctly, but it is not always ideal. Some rings cannot be resized safely. Others lose value or integrity when altered. Many clients who walk into jewelry stores ask about alternatives first because of these concerns. Here are some common reasons people search for ring resizing alternatives. The ring is a family heirloom. The band is too delicate or ornate. The size changes with the seasons. The wearer is between sizes. The ring is made from tungsten, ceramic, or titanium. If you have searched for jewelry stores or the nearest jewelry professional, you may have already heard that certain rings are better left unaltered. That is where temporary and reversible solutions come in. Best ring. Resizing alternatives without permanent changes. These methods allow you to enjoy your ring now while protecting its long-term value. Ring adjusters. Ring adjusters are soft silicone or plastic bands that wrap around the inside of your ring to make it smaller. They are inexpensive and easy to apply. They are perfect if you need a quick fix before visiting a jewelry repair around me for a professional option. Sizing bead. Sizing beads are small metal balls soldered inside the band by a jeweler. This method is popular in jewelry stores because it is reversible and comfortable. An Arcadia jewelry repair specialist can add or remove them without altering the ring's design. Speed bumps. Speed bumps are subtle metal ridges placed inside the band. They help prevent spinning and slipping without changing the overall size. This is a great choice for people who find their ring sliding but not falling off. Ring guards. Ring guards attach to the back of the band and reduce the interior size. Many jewelry stores in Arcadia carry them for temporary use. They are removable and adjustable, making them ideal for fluctuating finger sizes. Silicone wraps. These clear wraps coil around the bottom of your ring and tighten the fit. They are a favorite for travelers or people waiting for a professional appointment. Spring inserts. Spring inserts are metal coils placed inside the ring by a jeweler. They compress to hold the ring in place and can be removed later. This service is commonly offered by an Arcadia jewelry repair shop. Stacking rings. Wearing a snug ring next to a loose one helps keep it centered. It is a stylish solution that many people use without even realizing it. Can you make a ring bigger without resizing? While you cannot stretch metal safely at home, you can improve comfort. Many people searching for jewelry near me discover that swelling, temperature, and time of day affect ring fit. Tips to make a tight ring feel more comfortable. Wear it during cooler hours. Use lotion to reduce friction. Avoid salt before wearing. Remove during exercise or flights. If a ring consistently feels too tight, consult a jewelry repair around me for safe professional advice. When should you visit a jeweler? If your ring spins constantly, feels uncomfortable, leaves marks, slides off easily, it is time to stop searching for the nearest jewelry store and speak with a professional. An experienced Arcadia jewelry repair specialist can assess your ring and recommend the safest solution. Why some rings should not be resized. Not all rings are safe to resize. Many jewelry stores in Arcadia will advise against resizing for eternity bands, pave settings, vintage filigree rings, tungsten or ceramic rings. In these cases, ring resizing alternatives are not just convenient, they are essential. The importance of choosing local experts. Searching for jewelry near me is about more than convenience. It is about trust. A local jeweler understands your needs and your peace. If you are looking for jewelry in Arcadia, visiting a trusted Arcadia jewelry repair shop ensures your ring is handled with care. Dorano Jewelry, your trusted Arcadia jewelry repair shop. If you are searching for jewelry stores in Arcadia, jewelry repair around me, or the nearest jewelry experts, Dorano Jewelry is the place to go. Dorano Jewelry is a respected Arcadia jewelry repair shop offering ring sizing alternatives, professional resizing stone setting jewelry, restoration, custom jewelry design. Our experienced team will help you find the perfect solution for your ring without pressure or guesswork. You can schedule a consultation and stop by in person. When it comes to jewelry in Arcadia, Dorano Jewelry is where craftsmanship meets care. Your ring deserves a perfect fit and a jeweler you can trust.